CadMakers CAD to Robot Task solution can help to streamline the robot programming process for product families such as prefabricated wall panels or prefabricated roof trusses. First, wall panel parameters can be exported in a tabular format from a CAD package such as CATIA, Solidworks, Rhino, Grasshopper, and more. Alternatively, parameters can be extracted directly from a neutral CAD format such as STEP, using custom CAD processing modules. Next, target paths are generated based on the wall parameters via a robotics toolkit called RoboDK. Custom interfaces allow the user to easily set relevant options for their application. After that, a robot program can be generated. This program can either be exported as a native robot language file or sent directly to the robotic arm via robot drivers. Here we demonstrate three types of operations. Point type, which can be used for applying fasteners such as screws, nails, or staples. Curve type operations for seam sealing or caulking, and surface type operations for painting or inspecting. Because of the parametric nature of this solution, programming the task for new wall geometries is quick and easy. In addition to point, curve, and surface type operations, more advanced paths can be generated from imported G-code. Please reach out if you'd like to learn more about CadMakers or robotics-related services and software packaged as the manufacturing, automation, and robotics to digital twin solution offering.